Oh, stinker. I am Chef Tim, and this week on the island we are making hot honey-baked ham and Swiss sliders. So from what I understand, this is the most popular hot ham and cheese recipe on the internet. So naturally, we had to give it a shot and give it the honey-baked ham treatment. I now completely understand why these are so popular. They're incredible. Let me show you how to make some. For this recipe, you will need King's Hawaiian buns, some sliced Swiss cheese and some bone-in honey-baked ham, pickle chips, some melted butter, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and mayonnaise, and finally, some sesame seeds and some onion powder. Let's make some sandwiches, shall we? First things first, grab your King's Hawaiian rolls, cut each one of these in half, take a little bit of the mayo, put it on top of that bottom half of the King's Hawaiian roll, top that with a couple slices of honey-baked ham, a couple slices of Swiss cheese, and then the original recipe doesn't call for these, but I love pickles, so I'm gonna put a couple pickles on each one of these sandwiches as well. Then take your top half of your bun, put it on top, and this is kind of important. You're gonna take a tinfoil lined baking tray. You're gonna want the tinfoil because this is gonna get a little bit sloppy. It'll make cleanup easier. And you're gonna take each one of these made sandwiches and bunch them up closely together next to each other on top of the baking tray. Next step, we've made our sliders, it's time to make our sauce. So, take your melted butter, your Dijon mustard, your onion powder, your Worcestershire sauce, and dump them all into a bowl and mix everything together till it's nice and smooth. Then, take your sauce and dump it all over the top of your sliders. Make sure it covers all of them. Finally, you're gonna take some sesame seeds. The original recipe calls for poppy seeds, but I like sesame seeds better, so we're gonna go with those. And sprinkle sesame seeds all over the top of your sliders. Then take a piece of tin foil, cover your sliders, and let them sit for 10 minutes. All right, it's time to bake these bad boys. So you're gonna bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes and then take this top piece of tin foil off and bake them for an additional 2 minutes. The internet was right this time, guys. World's best hot ham and cheese sandwich recipe plus world's best ham equals ham sandwich nirvana. That's all for this week. See you soon.